In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Find feature in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to locate what you need quickly, using a simple example that leads you to integrations and apps. First, look toward the top of your QuickBooks Online screen for the search bar. It usually sits in the header and may show a magnifying glass icon. This is your go-to tool for finding almost anything in your books. Click into the search field and start typing what you're looking for. You don't need to write a full sentence. Short, clear keywords work best. As you type, QuickBooks will begin suggesting matches beneath the search box. This is helpful if you're unsure of spelling or the exact term, because you can select a suggestion instead of finishing the whole word. If your first keyword is too broad, add a second word to narrow things down. For example, Invoice April is more specific than just invoice. To see how this works in practice, type the word app. This is a great example because many people want to connect QuickBooks with other tools they already use. Typing app signals to QuickBooks that you're interested in applications and add-ons, and you'll notice that the suggestions and results begin to orient around that topic. If you don't see what you want immediately, add a related word like apps or integration to fine-tune the results. Keep an eye on the suggestions list as it updates in real time while you type. Among the options that appear, click on Find Integrations. This option is designed to take you straight to the place where QuickBooks connects with other services. Selecting it opens the area that showcases compatible apps and integrations, saving you time compared to navigating through menus. From here, you'll see options that help extend QuickBooks' capabilities, such as tools for reporting, payments, time tracking, and more. If you're exploring, take a moment to read the brief descriptions so you can identify which connections might fit your workflow. If you're returning to an integration you already use, going through the Find feature is often the fastest way to get back to it. That's all there is to it. Use the search bar to type what you're looking for. Try a simple example like app, and then select Find Integrations to jump directly into the integrations area. With a few keystrokes, you can move around your company file more efficiently, reduce clicks, and discover helpful tools that work with QuickBooks Online. Practice with a couple of keywords you use often, and you'll be navigating like a pro in no time.